Hey everybody, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and today I'm doing a packing video that was requested by one of you guys, and I'm really excited to show you this example because I do actually dress like this a lot. The request was for a cold weather packing video, but for people that like to dress up often or people that have some sort of occasion that they have to dress up for, except it's cold outside. We're talking dresses, skirts, boots, and tights. So that's exactly the capsule wardrobe I'm going to show you guys today. I'm going to show you all the clothes, show you all the accessories, and then pack everything. Even if you don't like to dress up often, maybe you're going on a trip when the weather is rather chilly and you need to dress up for certain occasions. Maybe you're going to a destination wedding in a winter wonderland where you have plenty of nights that you have to look a little bit nicer. Or maybe you're going somewhere chilly for New Year's Eve and you want a whole bunch of different outfits to decide from. Or of course you could be like me and this other viewer that requested the video where you just like to dress up a little bit more. Either way, I hope this video is helpful or that it can further show you the art of the capsule wardrobe and show you that of course it is possible to pack carry-on only like I have for 92 countries and all 7 continents. If you're new here, I do packing videos on Wednesdays, and on Saturdays, I do reviews of luggage, bags, and travel essentials. I travel often and I pack well, and I want to help you do the same. That sounds like something that you need. Please hit that subscribe button and follow us on Instagram. And then check out the description down below because not only do we offer you packing lists, but we also have trip itinerary templates. And I made a list of over 160 airlines worldwide so that you can see what their carry-on and personal item requirements are. All right, so let's get into this packing tutorial. So let's chat about this a little bit because I've said this before in a winter packing video. Just because it's cold outside doesn't mean you're going to be cold the whole time. Yes, it sucks when there's cold weather and snow. I live in Michigan. I realize this, but I want you to really think about what you're doing on that trip and think about exactly how many hours you're going to be outside versus inside. Because if you're just going from your hotel to this restaurant, the heat's going to be on in the restaurant and you're going to be warm. If you're going from this restaurant to this museum, you might have to transport between the two and go outside, but again, you're going to be warm when you get there. Unless you're doing some sort of outside walking tour or maybe even a Christmas market, the chances are you aren't going to be outside for that long, and that if you wear really heavy winter clothes, you might be really hot when you get indoors. I'm always like, oh my God, where's the coat check? This is so hot. That's literally me. And of course, we're going to go over the outerwear and any type of winter accessory too, because that will be important. All right, so let's go ahead and show you this capsule wardrobe. Today I did 5 bottoms and 6 tops, meaning there are 30 outfits to choose from. You'll have these 30 outfits in the capsule wardrobe, but then you will also just have your plain outfit. Now guys, do keep in mind that this capsule wardrobe is 100% plus size. I am a size 2X or an 18 or a 20 in US sizes. So plus size girls can do capsule wardrobes and carry on only also. On this trip, I'm going to bring 3 different skirts with me. This one is a little bit longer. It's a nice little gold or mustard color. This one is a little bit more satiny. It kind of comes below the knee and it has this nice little slit that can cinch up to show a little bit of leg if you want to. And then I packed this nice little longer satin skirt. It is one of my favorites and a staple in my capsule wardrobe these days. And then we're gonna have 2 bottoms. I have this nice little pair of wide leg pants that can definitely be very dressy, or you can wear them a little bit more casually, and I love that. And then these are a pair of kind of a faux leather pant, and I love them so much. I've been wearing them a lot, getting compliments every day, and they are so extremely comfortable, and they are so in right now too. I have this white sleeveless turtleneck. I had to throw this little sparkly one in there, especially if we are talking about some sort of New Year's Eve situation, because how fun is this? Then I have this nice little green shirt, one of my favorite colors. It's a square neck, it's long sleeve, and I absolutely love it. I've been wearing it like crazy, and this can definitely be casual or dressy. I actually wore it at Thanksgiving this year with this skirt. It was such a cute outfit. Then I have this other long sleeve shirt right here, and it's actually kind of a wrap one, which I think is just such a nice, beautiful detail. Then I packed this light black sweater, and it does actually have these little lace-up crisscrosses. That's just my style. You definitely don't have to do that because it can be just a tad more revealing, but hey, a nice little light black sweater is always great in a capsule wardrobe. And then last but not least, I have this, and it's kind of like more of a clay color. And it's really fun because you've got this kind of wrap detail and this little cutout detail. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and go over the accessories. But before we do, we actually have a sponsor for today's video. And they gave us 2 pairs of shoes and 2 purses for this video, and gave you a discount code. So let's check out everything from Vivaia. All right, guys, so today we are going to talk about Vivaia, and you might have seen a lot of their incredible shoes. I'm so excited today to show you 2 pairs of shoes and 2 bags. And when I say they are perfect for travel, I mean they are perfect for travel. Just wait. They are offering you 12% off your purchase, whether you want the items I'm going to show you today or anything else. The links and code are in the description, so happy shopping. So you guys know that I'm very particular with the shoes and accessories that I travel with. Not only do they have to pack well, but they have to be good in all circumstances. If it rains, I don't want my feet to get wet because nothing ruins a trip like wet shoes that never dry. The shoes from Vivaia are water repellent, which is the #1 reason why I love them. But they are also really chic and stylish, and they're comfortable. So it's a win-win all around. And good news, they have even upgraded their insoles this year, giving you even more arch support and comfort. So I don't know about you, but I walk about 30,000 steps a day when I'm traveling, and my feet need to be comfortable. So I'm going to show you 4 things today, and these are of course what I'm going to be packing and using in my capsule wardrobe. So first, I'm going to show you guys these adorable ankle boots. Water repellent, super comfortable. Look at this stretch. They have this square toe box right here, which is great. This boot comes in 16 different colors or patterns. And of course, I picked this dark leopard. They even have a wide width in a few of the colors or patterns as well. Now we have these boots with a little bit of a heel, and they do have a zipper on the back. I'm not much of a heel girl, but you guys, these are perfectly comfortable to walk around in all the time. And they come in 6 different colors. So this is the Lucy crossbody bag. It does come in 10 different colors or patterns. And this bag, you guys, is machine washable. That's why I don't mind getting this light color. So I love this for so many reasons. I love that it is completely flat so that it packs really well. Also, you have these straps right here, but you can take them off and it becomes a really chic clutch. It has a zipper on top and it opens up and is the opposite pattern inside. I love this bag. And then lastly, this is the Gabriella tote in the color Nutmeg. Yes, it's also machine washable. And you guys, I didn't even tell you that the bags from Vivaia are made from recycled water bottles. The thing that I love about this style is that it does have a little pouch with it as well. And it has this little strap, which you can detach, of course. This bag has more than enough space to put all of your essentials and more, and is extremely comfortable when you're wearing it on your shoulder. And of course, it's great for a trip because fold it up like this and it packs completely flat. You guys are gonna see in just a minute how I incorporate these into my capsule wardrobe for this video. And again, please check out the description for links and your 12% off code. Back to the video. All right, so now let's go ahead and talk about outerwear. And I'm not here to tell you guys what type of coat to bring. That is going to depend on the weather, just kind of your typical packable coat. So it's going to be very, very thin and easy to pack if you want to put it in your carry-on. And it's also going to be really good in all weather and has a little light hood as well. Then I will bring some nice, really warm scarf. This one is two-sided with a cute little pattern. I got it in a boutique in Italy, and it'll definitely keep you warm while you're outside, but then it can also just be a nice little shawl or blanket scarf like that, and even maybe keep you warm on the flight too. So this might actually be really nice to pack in your personal item. And then I would pack this adorable little beret, but it is actually extremely thick and will keep you very warm. And then I will be showing you guys tights on my capsule wardrobe, and I will be packing them. And I tried out these tights from Sheertex today because they are completely rip proof. Now it's time for the fashion show, my favorite part of the video. So today is actually a little bit different. I'm going to be using 2 packing cubes. And the reason for that is 2 different reasons, really. One, we have a little bit of heavier clothes because it's winter, so we have long sleeves and sweaters. But 2, because it's kind of dressier, I want to keep them as wrinkle-free as possible. So I'm gonna pack this one with half of it and this one with half of it. And they're still gonna fit perfectly in that compression side of our suitcase. So let's start with this one. This is just kind of our typical medium-sized one that we always use. I have opted to actually fold the pants for this one just to make them a little bit flatter and easier. These ones are folded as well. I have the most structured ones on the bottom. I have rolled all 3 skirts together, and especially because I have some like silky, satiny kind of material, I want to just roll them very, very nicely. And then I'm going to pack this one in here because I have the space, and it is just a little bit heavier and larger to pack. So this is all we're going to place in there. You guys usually see me cram everything into packing cubes, but like I said, we're going to be a little bit more gentle with this pack. Now we have this packing cube, which is the same width, but it is just a little bit skinnier. And we're going to put the rest of our tops in this one. And there you have it. All right, so now let's go ahead and pack everything into our beautiful brand new July trunk. And there will be a full review coming soon, so stay tuned. But today you're gonna get a little sneak peek because we're gonna use it to pack. All right, let's open it up with the press of 2 buttons. Obviously on this compression side here is where we are going to put our packing cubes. And that's gonna be it for this side, and we're going to compress it down. Then we're gonna go ahead and open this side. It's a little bit different than other July bags. And we have this whole side to pack. So I'm gonna start by packing this bag. You could, of course, use it as a personal item as well. Then I have another packing cube in that set. And here I have socks, underwear. I have 1 extra bra besides the merino wool one that I travel in. And then, of course, I have that pair of tights and a pair of pajamas. And then, of course, my toiletries bag from Trip Travel Gear. It has jewelry, it has toiletries, it has makeup, anything that I need that is not liquid. Then let's take the bigger boots here. And because they're knit, they really do go down nice and flat. A pair of sunglasses. I do have my flat iron so that I can do my hair. And I'm gonna bring an umbrella. And then of course we have the winter accessories. I'm gonna go ahead and put the beret here on this side. And then I'm gonna go ahead and close this. Now our scarf could absolutely fit in our carry-on, but like I said, this is a really great little scarf to have on the plane as almost a little blanket wrap. And then of course we do have our little clutch. I did take the straps off and put them inside, and because it packs nice and flat, let's go ahead and utilize this little zipped pocket. Now all we need to do is just put a little bit of weight on it press both of the buttons, and we are packed and ready to go. By the way, isn't this brown totally chic? It's supposed to be like 70s vintage, and I am so here for it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video was helpful, whether you are just a person that likes to dress up or whether you're going to some sort of special event. As always, if you need help with a capsule wardrobe, I do have a video that I will link down below so that it breaks down how you can pick your perfect capsule wardrobe for your trip. Thank you so much to Vivaya for sponsoring this video and for sending us those 2 fabulous pairs of shoes and the 2 bags. Don't forget to go to our description so that you can get 12% off at Vivaya. Everything is linked down below. All right, guys, happy packing, happy travels. I will see you in the next video. Please make sure you're subscribed and that you follow us on Instagram. See you later. Bye.